What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about an artisanal, clean, and creative fragrance made in France. BON PARFUMEUR. Parfumeur? Not parfumer. Parfumeur. Guys, I've been trying to pronounce this brand the correct way for the past 10 minutes. I even had to Google translate how to say
BON PARFUMEUR.
That's what I meant. This is a fragrance made in France by BON PARFUMEUR. I'm gonna leave all their information in the description down below. You may or may not have heard of them because they're kind of new. They're up and coming, and they actually reached out to me to try their fragrance. This is one of many, 003. And I'm extremely excited to try this out, guys, because number one, to me, when I think of Paris, I think of romance, I think of love, I think of beautiful scents, I think of pastries, I think of macaroons. I'm like one of those little round things again. But scent is definitely one thing that I think of when it comes to Paris in France.
A few moments later.
Did I say macaroni? I meant macaroons. I'm pretty sure I said macaroons, but for some reason I'm thinking of macaroni. I'm excited to try this out, guys. Today, as you can see, this is not open. This is completely sealed, and we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to do a first impression, and we're going to talk about this company and this fragrance in particular. Also, we'll do a try test to see how this lasts throughout the day, and we're going to have fun. So if you're interested in this fragrance review, then keep on watching. BON PARFUMEUR makes tons of fragrances and candles. We all know I love a good candle. So hopefully if this works out, I'm going to be buying a candle from this company right away. By the way, guys, this video is not sponsored nor my affiliate. This is just basically my opinion. So they reached out to me, they wanted to smell their fragrance, but they kindly gave me a discount code for you guys. So you get 10% off if you use this code right here, 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗵𝘁, I believe is the code. Either way, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But again, they make candles, they make tons of fragrances, and I am super excited. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road. I'm going to open this up. And just packaged with plastic, and then we have the box. Looks like that wants to come off as well. This is nice. Looks like it opens up like a storybook. Very sick. That to me is luxury. And this is the 100 milliliter bottle, by the way. Box and presentation, I'm not gonna lie, right off the bat, I'm definitely impressed. This does not feel cheap. And by the way, their fragrances go for $48 to $103 US dollars. And to me, that's not that much. I've purchased fragrances that range between $80 to like $200 in my lifetime. That's really, really crazy to think I spent 200 bucks on a fragrance, but I did. I'm just gonna slip that back on there just so we get the full effect, guys. This is how it looks when it first arrives. The plastic just wanted to get this thing naked. So this has the ingredients on here. It also has some words in French. Unfortunately, I do not know how to speak because I took Spanish in high school.
Bonjour.
I'm actually a little bit French, guys, believe it or not. I don't know if you can catch that vibe, but yeah, I am. It says here 003, Yuzu Violet Leaves Vetiver. Cologne is fresh. So like there's a lot of categories when it comes to fragrances, fresh being one of them. There's like musky, there's citrusy, there's tons. I'm not a fragrance connoisseur, but I try a lot of fragrances on this channel and give a real and authentic opinion. So that's what today's video, guys, is. Don't expect like a professional review, just my opinion. My opinion! Alright, so we're gonna take this out, and I have to say, even the bottle itself feels very nice, very luxurious, and it's very simple. Like the packaging is just a basic glass. I like it, and I love this green color. I don't know if you want to call that like olive or what, but it's like a muted green. Very pretty. So, oh, on the top right here, it does also say BON PARFUMEUR, and their logo right there. I believe this symbol is their logo. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. It's unique. I appreciate it. Before we go ahead and test this though, let me describe to you guys what exactly this is supposed to smell like. And I'm getting all the information I'm about to read from bonparfumeur.com. And they have a great description, they have the ingredients, they have the notes. First and foremost though, let me tell you guys what the notes are for this so we have a feel. Top note being bergamot. Love bergamot here on this channel. Yuzu Violet Leaves. Heart notes are jasmine, neroli, and elemi. And base notes, which is the note that's going to last the longest, is vetiver and musk. I love myself a good musky smell. Very masculine, warming, and sensational scent. So hopefully that's what this provides right here. So that's the notes. And the description says 003 is a cologne with a vegetal scent. Never heard that before for vegetable. Is that like veggies? Vegetables? At first, this fragrance offers generous minty and zesty notes, giving one of a sudden and crazy desire for a mojito. Its delicate and fresh green tea notes bring an intoxicating lightness. The notes enhance the powdery white flowers. It is a cologne that hides its airy and soft woody playfulness. 𝗬𝗍 notes enhance all the facets of this addictive fragrance, both zesty and woody. A most refreshing olfactory journey. Oh wow, some of the words in this, I'm like, okay. Challenging my vocabulary here. Olfactive family is cologne. What does olfactive family mean? I don't know, I'll put it right here on the screen if you guys care. But yeah, so that's basically the description on here. How to use, spritz on the pulse points like wrist, neck, behind the ears, and inner elbows. Inner elbows? I've never done that. To make your fragrance last longer. Alright, cool. So I will also list the ingredients on the screen for you right here if you want to check them out for yourself. But that's pretty much everything you need to know about 003 by BON PARFUMEUR. And I'm ready to give this a smell, guys. Let's get to it. First, let me shake this bad boy right here. And alright, so black nozzle, just like the top. Appreciate that. And here we go. 1, 2. Oh wow. That is very nice. I'm gonna put it on my wrist right now. By the way, 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗵𝘁 Schirra bracelets sold on Etsy, link in the description. Handcrafted by me. And shameless plug right there. This is how I apply my cologne, guys. I stopped putting it on my neck because no matter what fragrance I've been using, when I spray them on my neck, I've been breaking out. So I don't do that anymore. It's like my skin is like extra sensitive up here. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. That is very... Oh, I get the vibe of the zest, like it's saying, like that very spiritual, like very spirity type scent. It's weird. I don't know how to describe it, but it's definitely awakening. Like it's not a chill fragrance. If you know what I mean. It's like hard to describe a fragrance, but it's very nice. I'm smelling the violet leaves. I think that's violet. That has to be violet, but it's very like, it's like a neutral scent. It's weird. And it has a zesty scent to it. By zesty, guys, I mean like citrusy smell. Like there's lemon or something in this, which I believe I read that within the ingredients, so I can get the hints of that. Now this is a fragrance, guys. Fragrances adapt differently on everyone, so everyone's body reacts differently to fragrances, periods. So this is my reaction, my impression, and how this is working for me. Does not mean it's gonna work the exact same for you. What is that thing that everybody has within their body that makes fragrances different? I think like, not pheromones. There's something that the body has that makes like scents smell different on people. So I'm not a scientist, guys. I don't know who you think I am. This is not Dr. Schirra here, but I'm excited to give this a go throughout the day. I'm not just gonna spray this on my wrist, but let me just spray this on my chest as well. We got 2 spritzes in there, 1 on the outside, we got 2 on the wrist. So I'm ready to start my day, and I will come back to you within the next few hours. I'm gonna run some errands, and we will see how this scent has lasted throughout the day. Not fin, this is not the end, I will BRB. I just said fin because fin means the end in French, right? I think it does. Alright guys, and we are back. We got the 2 C's, we got a cat and coffee. This is Kylie. If you don't already know that, say hi, Kylie. She's 2 books. Alright, you're gonna go enjoy the rest of your day. You're probably wondering, how did this scent last? Let's get to it, guys. This scent, in my opinion, is definitely a very potent smell. It's very warming, it's soothing in a way. Like there's something about it that's like calming. I don't know if it's the musk or what, but in certain times it smells like deep and woody, but then there are moments where you get that zesty and like citrusy type smell. And it's like it's a weird combination, but it's definitely one that I appreciate. I don't know if I've smelled a fragrance quite like this, and the consistency is just, it's beautiful. So if I was to rate this out of 10, I would give this like, we'll give it a 10. This is a 10. I'm saying that because it is extremely unique. The price is affordable. I'm excited to try out more from BON PARFUMEUR. Thank you so much, BON PARFUMEUR. I cannot believe that word is rolling off my tongue like that, but thank you very much for sending this my way and bringing awareness to your brand, because I love trying out fragrances, guys. On this channel, I review tons, again, but what I ideally like to do is try out fragrances from companies that are up and coming and new, or ones that are not really too heard of, at least in the US. So this company is based out of France. It's not something that's sold at Ulta or Sephora or at your local department stores. This is something that I feel like needs to be spoken about. And of course, I'm a small business owner and I appreciate small businesses that are up and coming like this as well. So BON PARFUMEUR, check them out, guys. Hopefully enjoyed this video. Hopefully enjoyed this fragrance experience. I highly recommend checking out this brand. And if you did enjoy this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if there's a fragrance maybe you think I should try, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also, do not forget to click the notification bell. That is very important. If you don't click that, it means you will not be notified whenever I upload a new video. My Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me in there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.